Hello makers! Welcome to another episode of Fiction Kitchen, where we guide you through recipes sourced from works of fiction and popular culture. This week, we'll be making Elven Lembas Bread, from the book series The Lord of the Rings. The ingredients you'll need are 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 1/2 sticks of butter, 1/3 of a cup of sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1/3 of a cup of honey, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of almond meal, 2 large eggs. Add brown sugar, butter, and honey to mixer. Cream ingredients together. Add blossom water, vanilla extract, and lemon zest. Mix to combine. Add eggs, one at a time, mixing dough between additions. 4. Add almond meal and flour in a few small batches. Mix between additions and scrape the sides of the bowl. Add almond slices and mix to combine. 6. Thread dough into a rectangular shape, roughly 1/2 inch thick. Cover the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate until firm. Shortly before removing dough from refrigerator, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 7. Partition the slab of dough evenly into squares. 8. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes, remove and let rest until room temperature, and enjoy.